Kahit hindi okay, kahit maraming hindi okay, magiging okay. Kasi, andyan ka pa rin eh. Salamat ha. Ano nga pala ulit yung sinasabi mong problema mo?
Through my mind, I know it's over but I can't deny I'm still missing you. And I'm torn cause I'm hella frustrated. I know we had something special,
Bachat.
baby, but now the fact is you're gone
Nung nag-basketball tayo ng isang araw, may nangyari sa akin.
Ivan? Patch?
Ah? Angel, magpapaliwanag ako.
What are you going to explain? That I am stupid enough to said that you and Ivan have something more than just being best friend?
Bakit ka ba nagagalit sa akin, Angel? Dahil feeling mo inaagaw ko sa'yo si Ivan? Angel, mas nauna ko siyang naging best friend bago mo siya naging boyfriend.
Yeah, you're right. Pero best friend ka lang.
Oo, alam ko na best friend lang ako. Kaya nga ginagawa ko ito para makatulong ako sa problema na Tita Gwen. Ginagawa ko to para sa best friend ko.
Oh, come on, Patch! Yan ba talagang dahilan kung bakit ka sumali sa hair and makeup contest na yan? Nagpapaganda ka? Kanyang lahat ng to, di ba? Why? Because you want him to see you differently?
Hindi. Para naman makita niyo ako bilang ako.